Hey guys, it's Bobby Legs, and welcome to another episode of Bobby Legs Loves Watches, and welcome to a triple unboxing. It may actually be a double unboxing. There's a technicality here. I'll let you guys be the judge of that. But here is a triple unboxing, and this is coming. Well, the first watch is really a watch that is mine, and I've unboxed it before. I had lent it out to my buddy Chris at the Watch Lounge and my buddy James over at the Great Gambino channel, and James has happily returned this back to me. It is the Zelos Mako 300-meter diver, the 42 in titanium. Sorry for the camera wobble there. I had to use the overhead today. And so here it is. So this is the technicality. Is it really a triple unboxing? I've unboxed this before. Whatever. We'll call it a triple unboxing. I'm sure the unboxing police will make their comments below. There is no unboxing police. I just made that up. But maybe there is, or there should be. And here's the other watch. There's one more watch. This is the Orient Tristar. This is my buddy Chris over at the Watch Lounge. The Orient Tristar, I'm sorry. Very, very cool looking watch. This watch isn't, this watch is a pretty affordable watch, and it looks pretty sharp, man. I gotta tell you, Orient's all right. I gotta say, their divers are pretty good quality. Let me just put it on wrist real quick. I think this strap may be a little too small for me, but let me put this on wrist here. Well, I'll just do it like that. Yeah, that's sleek, man. That's really nice. Not bad, huh? Orient always surprises me. Always. Oh, and in a positive way, of course. What do we have here? What do we have here? We have another. Yes, this is James's watch, and perfect timing for the holiday. Well, not the holiday, but whatchamacallit, Halloween, because this is his Khaki mechanical, but it's not just your. Yes, look at this. That is awesome. PVD. I don't know. For some reason, I thought it was orange. I don't know. But anyway, this is really, really cool looking Khaki mechanical. I had a Khaki mechanical once, just like, the plain, stainless steel or bead blasted looking. But this is awesome. Look how flat. Look how thin that is. And that's got some ETA manual hand wound movement in there. I forget which one it is. 2807 or I don't know, one of those. Yeah, look forward to spending some time and reacquainting myself here. There's another box here. Nope, that's the Orient Tristar. Okay. Anyway, guys, thanks for tuning in, and yeah, man, I'm looking forward to getting these watches to you for review. Anyway, I will see you guys soon in the next video.